Hey everyone, Luke here from Bedford Camera and Video, and we've got the brand new Canon RF 70-200mm f4. Now this is an L series lens, so it's going to have a lot of the attributes that you're really familiar with, such as image stabilization. It's going to have weather sealing. It's an L series lens, so it's going to have impeccable sharpness. Now this lens has a maximum aperture of f4, but will go up to 32 as well. Now, the great thing about this lens is the fact that it is so small and lightweight. This lens weighs just at 1.5 pounds, as well as under 5 inches tall, so it makes for a really great travel lens or a light lens to pack into your bag when you're out for a hike. This lens is also going to have a dual nano USM autofocus system. Now what that means is it's going to have 2 motors in there that are going to help perform at a much faster rate, as well as keeping the operation very quiet, so it won't disturb any of the environment around you. This lens is going to have a focus limiter switch as well as 3 autofocus modes to be selected on the lens. It's also going to have a programmable control ring that is just like all of the other RF lenses that have come out so far. Now the minimal focus distance on this lens is at 2 feet, so you can really get up close and personal with this lens. Now there is another type of coating on these elements that make it a pretty unique type of lens. It's called ASC, or air sphere coating, and what that does is it helps keep the backlit flaring from causing loss of contrast, so it will keep your image nice and contrasty even if you're shooting your subject in a backlit situation. In all, this is an incredible addition to the Canon RF series lenses. To get yours, visit us online at bedfords.com or your local store. I'm Luke from Bedford Camera and Video, and we'll catch you next time.